So I wanted to make this video today showing this spin twist, which is, don't move my banana. I want to show you how easy it is and how this spin twist makes putting finish on this guitar. It makes it a heck of a lot easier. I always like to use these shop cloths that have minimum fluff. I scrunch it into a nice little square as such. I pour what I hope I need into a canning jar. Glove, square, finish. And I'm sorry this is a little overexposed. It's just that I have a bright light so that I can see exactly how I'm applying this finish. So it's just one of those things. So the first coat of True Oil, I put it on pretty heavy. So basically, just rubbing the True Oil into the wood grain with a real generous coat. Of course, we want to avoid any form of drips. But here's where the spin twist comes in handy. Look at that. Woo! Now, as they say, we're cooking with gas here. Yeah, if you can like and subscribe, we got a whole bunch of cool content coming, including a whole neck build coming up next in our series. So check out the channel. We've already got a lot of videos up there. But I want to show you guys this figured cherry that I had just got from my friends at Wayne Lubber here in Toledo. I don't know if you can see this. Hold on. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, so come back and see what we're going to do with this. Yeah. So now that I can go around this whole perimeter and get it into the light so I can see what I'm doing and start applying this finish generously. All right, so I just keep a bag near me to put my rag in so I can basically use it over and over again as many times as it will allow. And then we have our little canning container to seal that extra finish up. And just like that. In case you're wondering, this is ash and has an espresso stain added to it that the customer wanted for this one. And yeah, super excited. So I will probably apply about 3 or 4 more coats today. Let that set overnight and then kind of steel wool it just to get some of the little fluffies or whatnot that are imperfections on the top, and then reapply once again another 3 or 4 coats, and do that about 3 or 4 times, build up a nice hard surface, and then I will let it dry for a couple weeks, and then yeah, and then start going through the sanding process to get this shiny and beautiful. Yeah, the whole purpose, once again, is the spin twist guitar paint rig also works with hand finishing as well. You don't need to just have it for spray. This seriously comes in handy. I will once again link the product from it's sold on Reverb in the description. So guys, thank you once again, and we got more coming for the channel. Like and subscribe, and we're going to start dishing it out for you. Okay? All right, let's build something, shall we?